For our girder beam section, I'm going to use these terms interchangeably. Our girder or beam will basically be what our joists are either sitting on top of or what our joists are being tied into with joist hangers. So first thing we do is select our size, right? 2x10s, how we want to make this beam. Now the number of members in our girder are basically how many of these 2x10s or whichever material we select are being fastened together. So for example, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4 members in our girder. This would be 1, 2 members in our girder. So however you want to make your beam or girder, you basically select the material and how many of those are you fastening together. So let's say we're doing 3. Now, the length of our girder or beam is going to be determined by how many posts we have and at what the space of these posts are. So for example, this will be calculated so that our material for our girders will pass over one post and land on the other. So if we have a 6.7 feet between each post, we're not going to use a 12-foot post. We don't want a 12-foot long 2x10s for our girder, right? Because that won't land on this next post. So you see it says 2x10x16. That way we know we have long enough material to span one post and land on the other. So if we added a 5th post, for example, let's say we had 5 posts and the length between posts was 5 feet, you can see it changes that to 12 because 12 foot would be enough to span one and land on the other. So that's a good thing to know.